TCA cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle, or Krebs cycle, or it is also known as citric acid cycle. This is the final common metabolic pathway of carbohydrate, protein and fats, because all these things, all these molecules or dietary molecules makes acetyl coenzyme A after metabolism. This acetyl coenzyme A is handled by Krebs cycle for the energy generation. We can define Krebs cycle is a final common metabolic pathway for the oxidation of acetyl CoA obtained from carbohydrates, lipids and protein. Protein that means amino acid to carbon dioxide, water and energy. The tissue site is all the tissues of the body except RBC and lances, because these two lacks mitochondria, and intercellular site is mitochondrial matrix. The starting material is acetyl coenzyme A and the end product is carbon dioxide, water and energy. In pathway, acetyl CoA is contains with oxaloacetate in the presence of citrate synthase and form citrate. This is the first compound of this pathway, so it is known as citric acid cycle. Then there is the dehydration as well as hydration takes place, and intermediate compound cis-aconitate, and then after isocitrate is formed with the enzyme aconitase. This isocitrate is again converted to oxalosuccinate with the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. Here, because isocitrate dehydrogenase is NAD linked, so NAD is reduced to NADH. This oxalosuccinate is again converted to alpha ketoglutarate with the enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase. Here, one carbon dioxide is released. After that, this alpha ketoglutarate is again activated with the another enzyme. It is known as alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. It is the complex enzyme in which this enzyme is also linked with the NAD, so NAD is reduced to NADH and coenzyme is added in this reaction and carbon dioxide is released. So next compound is succinyl coenzyme A is formed. Now this succinyl coenzyme A is converted to succinate with the enzyme succinate thiokinase. Here GDP is converted to GTP with the help of magnesium, and coenzyme A is released. This GTP is converted to 1 ATP in the substrate level. So this is the example of substrate level phosphorylation. That is the production of ATP on substrate level. Now succinate is converted to fumarate with the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. Here in the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase is FAD linked, so FAD is reduced to FADH2. Now this fumarate is converted to L-malate with the enzyme fumarase, and release of one water takes place. 1 molecules of water takes place, and the final product is malate is converted to oxaloacetate, and with the help of enzyme malate dehydrogenase, here once again NAD is linked with this enzyme, so NAD is reduced to NADH. So finally in the Krebs cycle we will get 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, 1 GTP and 2 carbon dioxide. In the whole, suppose we have taken 2 pyruvic acid, so there is the formation of 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, 2 GTP and 4 carbon dioxide. Cycle wise we can say about in the Krebs cycle or TCA cycle there are the production of 12 ATP per cycle. So in 2 molecules it is 24 ATP is formed during this pathway. So this is very important pathway. There is some inhibitor also. Fluoroacetate is an inhibitor of aconitase enzyme. Arsenite is an inhibitor of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme, and malonate is an inhibitor of succinate dehydrogenase. These are the vital enzymes in this pathway. So this is the reaction takes place in Krebs cycle. So finally we can understand about in one cycle acetyl coenzyme A gives 12 ATP in TCA cycle. And function of TCA cycle is the provision of energy. TCA cycle has amphibolic, that means both anabolic as well as catabolic in nature. Here oxaloacetate plays a catalytic reaction, catalyst. So it works like a catalyst because it is again used and reused by this pathway. So catabolic role is the energy formation from carbohydrate and fats and amino acids. Anabolic reactions are heme synthesis of aspartate and glutamate, synthesis of fatty acid, synthesis of glucose. So these are the very important pathway because each and every pathway is interlinked with TCA cycle. Like we can say about the carbohydrate and fats and proteins, that is the amino acid. All these pathway, this is the common pathway of entire biomolecules. These all biomolecules. So this is the very important pathway, and it works like a amphibolic. That means catabolic as well as anabolic process. Eight ATP is formed during aerobic condition of glycolysis. 6 ATP is formed during the intermediate phase, that is the pyruvic acid to acetyl coenzyme formation, where one NADH is formed. It is the reducing equivalent, which is after going through the electron transport chain, it forms ATP. So there is a 6 ATP formed during the intermediate reaction, that is the connective link between glycolytic to TCA cycle, and in TCA cycle there is 24 ATPs formed. So we can say about one complete molecules of glucose is oxidized during glycolytic pathway, intermediate pathway and Krebs cycle. So there is the formation of 38 ATP in malate aspartate cetal system. Thank you. Dear student, ये पाथवे अपने बुक से आप बना लीजिए और मेरे बोले हुए वॉइस को सुनिए, आपको पूरा पाथवे समझ में आ जाएगा। थैंक यू।